Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry this generation right here. This is Toyota Camry from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you have one of those and you need to find where the throttle body fuse is located, if you have problems with throttle body codes, always check that fuse first. We will explain where to find it, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, fuses and relays as well. That way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything, guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry, guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business, guys, because otherwise, if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses, guys, okay? You have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So the throttle body fuse, guys, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this 2017, guys, Toyota Camry right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes in this car, and today we'll work in just one. This fuse box is located right under the hood. Open the hood on your Toyota Camry, guys. Okay, the throttle body will be right here on the back side, right? Now, if you look right here on the right side, you have that fuse cover. Go ahead, open it, guys, and underneath, that's the main engine management fuse box right here. So before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the throttle body, guys, fuse, where you can expect to find it. Now you have those mini blade fuses, guys, right here, but you have two special ones that are multi-block fuses. Let me show you what they look like. Okay, there are many fuses built in one fuse. If one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse block. The bad news is that, but the good news, they're not very inexpensive. We will share the link where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your time and money. Now right here, the throttle body fuse that we are looking for, guys, okay, let me explain now. This is fuse 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That fuse, guys, right here, fuse number 30, guys, excuse me, my bad, that's 28, 29, 30, this fuse right here. That's fuse number 30, the 10M fuse. You always need to double check everything with fuse numbers because it could be confusing, guys. But this is the fuse that you need to check for the throttle body. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.